How to place image to shirt. In this Photoshop tutorial, I will explain everything step by step in a simple and easy way. First, make some corrections if needed. Make a duplicate of the layer. Select the second layer, then go to Filter, then Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Apply the same values as mine. Save it in a Photoshop file and delete the layer. Now delete the background. Place the selected photograph and position it correctly. Change the blend mode to multiply. Now go to Filter, then Distort, then Displace, and choose your previously saved file. To achieve perfection, match the preferences to be identical to mine. Drop your suggestions in the comments below, and let's craft something extraordinary together.